Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling Storage Sense so Windows automatically reclaims space. Open Settings, go to System, then Storage, and toggle Storage Sense on. Pick a cleanup schedule that fits your use. Weekly is safe, daily is aggressive. Then decide what to remove: temporary files, recycle bin items older than 30 days, and unused installer files. Once done, make sure Downloads Exclusion is configured so you don't lose important files, and continue to the next steps to free larger blocks of storage. Now focus on the heavy hitters, large apps and media. Open Storage and click the drive to view usage by category, then drill into folders to find multi-GB files. Uninstall games and apps you don't use from Settings. Right arrow Apps. This removes program files and registry entries. For photos, videos, and archives, move them to an external HDD or cloud storage. This reduces internal drive wear and boosts performance. Once moved, run Storage Sense again to clear residual temp data and optimize free space. Finish by running Disk Cleanup as administrator and choose Cleanup System Files. Remove old Windows installations if present. You can enable Compact OS for additional savings on low-capacity drives, but test performance after. Verify free space in File Explorer, then restart so pending deletions complete. If space still isn't freeing, check System Restore Allocation and reduce it. Scan for malware that hides files, and review OneDrive placeholders versus local files. If one method fails, these checks usually reveal the blocker.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.